Hello guys, let's start cooking to my YouTube channel. We are cooking some beef, potatoes and some peas and rice. Welcome. Let's put our oil, cooking oil. This one is for cooking rice, and this other one here, it's for cooking stew, our stew. These are the ingredients. These are tomato, the onions, and these are carrots and some hohos, red, green, yellow, and some tomatoes. Then here we add our rice. We had already washed our rice. We are going to put it inside. We add our ingredients. Royco, curry powder, black pepper, a mixture of garlic and ginger. Our food is almost ready. Our rice is already cooked, and we have changed the cooking position because this one is already cooked. Now we have put our stew here. Let's wait for our stew.
Go.
Our food is ready. Let's put the food and we enjoy the food.